Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can combine photos in CapCut apps. So first, tap on your project, select your photos you like to combine. Just two photos, click add. So make it for the second clip, make it as an overlay. So click on the clip and select the overlay, and then just for the duration, same length like this. And upper down, you are just going to change for the ratio, and then you can select the 9:16 like this, and change for the position. For the overlay, you can swipe to the bottom. For the other clip, you can resize. Use two fingers to adjust for the scale like this. Right, that's it. So super simple. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.